In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your iPhone and completely factory reset it. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do this with any iPhone. So all I want to do is go to the bottom left where I have my settings wheel icon. Then from here, scroll down until I find General, which is under VPN. Go ahead and click on General right there. Scroll down again. And then right towards the bottom, the second last option I'm going to see is transfer or reset iPhone. So go ahead and click on that. Then on the bottom, right at the bottom, I'm going to see erase all content and settings. So I could go ahead and click on that. It's going to show everything that's going to be erased. And then I could just go ahead and press continue and go through the process if I want to. Now, if I don't want to factory reset it, I can press reset right here. And then I can reset specific things like network settings, location and privacy, or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.